Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the PUMA RBD Game Lows. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We'll try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the PUMA RBD Game Low. We got this in the khaki chocolate colorway, in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41, and it's US men's 8.5. And let's get unboxing. So before I reveal the sneaker to you guys, I just want to see if there's any keen eyes that see resemblance to a certain basketball sneaker from Nike. There. I mean, it's quite blatant, really. And which is a shame, because Puma have done tons of basketball sneakers in the past. I don't know why they feel the need to do their own version of a certain Nike basketball sneaker. But hey ho, here we are. I mean, I think that's what a lot of companies were doing around 2021, 2022. When the new Balance 550 was popping, and there was a time when Nike Dunks were just an instant hit. I mean, they still are. They sell out relatively quickly, especially if you were to the pair of the Pandas. As I mentioned, we've done not really a copy of Reebok-esque Dunk, and now we've got a Puma again, which is why I say it's a shame, because Puma in their own right have really good basketball sneakers. The Clyde, want to name for example, Retro, and the Puma Basket as well. Those are really cool basketball sneakers in their own right from Puma. With all that said, we'll look at the specs for here. So we'll start with the outsole. It's a little rubber outsole. You can see different traction patterning there with the Puma logo. Midsole unit, so you've got a foam, softer foam insole, and the midsole, sorry, that's encompassed in this rubber cup sole. I mean, even the padding of the midsole is flagrant on. I mean, it's very reminiscent of a Nike Dunk. Moving on to the upper, so the upper of this unit, it's an all leather with the khaki, so you can see it all around the sneaker, and the foam strip, sorry, the iconic strip that is on a lot of Puma sneakers, that's made out of suede, and it's in that chocolate colorway. In regards to colors, they complement each other so well. And I mean, now we're getting to the parts which I kind of dislike of the sneaker. If you look at the toe box, you've got that leather patterning there, and with the perforations, which is it's essentially the Nike Dunk toe box right there. And you've got flat laces, tongue with like a fleece lining, so even the lining of the sneaker is quite different. It looks like it's fleece. Puma logo there, padded with the Puma. It's embossed on the tongue. Again, flat laces. We'll look at the midsole unit, so you got the Puma logo there. But moving on to the heel, you got the suede foam strips extending onto this leather paneling with the Puma logo and its gold glory. And the insole is the soft bed right there, soft insole, soft foam for the comfort for the underside of your feet. So that rounds off my review of these sneakers. Again, I just want to say that Puma in their own right have a great heritage lines of basketball sneakers. I don't feel like they had to. I mean, I kind of understand why, because there was that hype around last year where everyone wanted it, and their mother wanted a pair of Dunks. So you have like for like, I guess. Well, it's not like for like, but doing the job from the guys at Puma, which is a shame again, because they didn't really have to do this. I get it. Really interested to see how these fit on and what they look like on, but Puma guys, you could have done better. Could have done better. All that said, roll up footage of me trying these RBD game lows on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that true to size PUMA fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. Despite the similarities between this sneaker and the Nike Dunk, in and of itself, objectively, this is quite alright. It's very comfortable. There's a fleece lining inside, so it's a point of difference in regards to the differences between both sneakers. But yeah, I mean, as a sneaker itself, it's fine. You know, not everyone can get a pair of Dunks. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.